Hip hip hooray. We're back in it. Ulanda is back. My loud ass controller is back. I think I should just go attempt the boss. Because I don't really know what else to do. And in we go. And you can hear the cars going past my window. You about to bust? Yep. You must be joshing. That lava was not there before. You about to blow? I'm about to blow! That was out of range! How's everyone doing on this fine evening? I'm doing quite alright. It's like noon right now. You know, summer break, feeling good. Real motherfuckers summon phantoms. Cause real no real, me and Mildred. Me and Mildred are the realest motherfuckers in Lordran. But let's get it. It's about to blow, Mildred, back it up! Fucking idiot. Not looking good. Alright. Yeah, put the sound effect. I already know what I'm gonna do when I edit this. Yay! Thank you, Mildred. Oh, isn't it just delightful? Hello. I'm probably gonna kill you later for your soul later in the game, but not now. That looks pretty good. I'm just gonna waltz right in. Like a G. Hey, man. You good? You good, man? You look kind of sad. Alright, I've established that I'm here, right? So you're not gonna attack me. Alright? I'm just gonna walk over here. Yeah. These clothes don't fit him, so he shouldn't get mad. Are you kidding me? Oh. My fists are just that powerful. Cannot believe it. Victory achieved. Lava's drained. Some souls in the bag. 20k to be exact. And we got this gold hemmed armor. Oh, but it makes me mid-roll. Game theory. Does Five Nights at Freddy's have something to do with Quaylag's breast? Tune in to find out. Goodbye, Blight Town. You won't be missed. Alright. I gotta go to the store. But when I reemerge, we will go to Orlando. BRB. Do the Ray William Johnson. Cool transition. Ready? Go. Make me look dumb. Okay, do it now. Dude, just do the... Alright, folks, so... It's been like 5 hours. But... I'm back, and there's a few things I want to do before we hit up Sans Fortress. What's up, bro? Oh my god! Hey, oh. How do I keep letting that happen? Please don't follow me. Oh, they followed me. Back it up! So this is not good, because at the top of this is a Black Knight. Oh! How am I alive? Alright, run jump, spin move. Back up! Oh my god! No! Black Knight. Take two, Buster! Oh! Alright, alright. That's cool, that's cool. Alright, that's cool. Nothing but love, man. Sippy break. I have to do this every time, by the way. Normally you guys don't see this. I cut most of this crap out. Oh my god. Every time. Oh! That one was a little hard to see, but, you know. Wow. TBH. Let me get behind it. Ooh. All the way. Jesus. Can I get him in the butt? I know you can. Ooh! I got the halberd dirtied all the way to the hilt. Ew. How? No! Come on. Alright, alright, alright. Alright! Alright! It's hot in here. I think it's a little hot in here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna beat him in his own domain. He's trying to hit me. Fucking idiot. Where is he? There he is. Motherfucker. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here, motherfucker. No! Get up here. Yeah! Are you serious? It didn't even give me the sword. Hey, man. Oh! What? Are we gonna talk about that? As you can see, we're not doing any real damage, so it's just a stamina test, really. If I can get behind him, that would be Papega! Oh my god! Oh my god! Another one, Apple! Oh my goodness! Can we get another? Oh my god! I would just give up at this rate. Genuinely. You're an embarrassment to your Oh! Oh, wow. Please. Oh. I actually missed completely, but come on. Yep. What are we doing? Give up. Give up. This is like parrying Gwyn. Yep. Hey, pal. Hey, pal. Why do you even try? Why do you even keep trying? Genuinely. Genuinely. Oof. And there you go. What were you thinking? Yeah. Yeah. Next. Come on, next in line. I don't have all day. What the fuck? Are we serious? Oh my god. This place has caused so much pain. So much death and destruction. And then you wait for this one. Are you fucking kidding me? And then on this guy, you just hit him with one of those. Do that. Kill him with the trap. Always a delight. Let me backstab you. Yep. Sorry. And he's still alive. These guys have always been... I forgot how tanky this area can be. Hey, man. Yeah, you're fucked. Don't eat me, please. The eat mimics are so freaky, bro. God, they're so nasty. There we go. And what do you get? A lightning spear. Are you kidding me? I hit B. How are you?
I also just like how that halberd looks better. I definitely stepped on that push play. Hey, that guy was right behind me. I hope he gets knocked off by that thing. No, he didn't. Alright. That guy coming? Nope, we're good. Alright, next up. No boulder? No boulder, Collie? Oh, fuck. This guy gonna... Oh, I got lucky with that one. Oh, shit. There we go. Alright, 3 hits, I think. God, that sword has some good range.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Oh, he's still alive. What? I'm about to go flipping berserk. Holy shoot. Holy freaking flood, man. Jesus crud. You know what they say, folks. You're probably asking, Joe, what do they say? Third time's the charm. That's what they say. Holy shit. No, 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 no! Cut that shit out right now! Jump! Yes! You don't know how good that feels, guys. Genuinely. You have no idea. I'm the best Dark Souls player there is. I'm being honest. This fucking guy. Let's get it, boy. Good shit. And delightful. Alright. Let's go take on a boss. What do you say? Sounds about right. Look at him over there. What the fuck? Oh. Boss music. Going crazy. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, that girl is my crush. Fall to your knees, bro. Fall to your fucking knees. Yup. Yup. Yup, yup, yup. That's what you get. Goodbye, Iron Tarkus. Folks, do you know what this means? Do you know what this means? Boys, we made it. In Orlando. It only took me like 2 hours. But we're here. Look at this. Beauty. Pure elegance. Oh my goodness. A beautiful bonfire to level up at. How much can I up? Ooh, okay. I'll pump some of the strength. I want some more endurance. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, folks. We made it to Orlando. How we feeling, Ulanda? Fucking perfect. And next time we'll take on Ornstein and Smell. I'll see ya.